Hello everyone, welcome to MobileMaths with Kamchang. Today I want us to look at solving equations. Here we have got some fractions that we are going to be solving. So for this one, I can find the lowest common multiple for these denominators 2, 3, and 2. So the easiest number that I can get or think of is 6. 2 can go into 6, 3 can also go into 6. So with this number, I can multiply every item with 6 there. I'm going to multiply everything with 6 times 6. Now that I'm multiplying with 6, I can divide 2 into 6, I get 3. So I have 3 times x, I'll get 3x there, is equal to 3 into 6, 2. 2 times x, we get 2x, plus 2 into 6 there is 3 times 1, I get 3. Okay, so we have this equation now. Now I can take this one, which is a positive, to this side, it becomes minus 2x. So I'll have 3x minus 2x is equal to a 3. Okay, now solving 3x minus 2x, I'll get x here. This is equal to a 3. So this is our final answer then. Let's move on to the second question, which is number 2. Here I can simply multiply this one to have an improper fraction so that I can get my fraction correctly and find the lowest common multiple for the denominator. So when I do that, I will have 1 over 2a is the same as a over 2 plus 1 times 4 plus 1, I get a 5 over 4 here, is equal to 1 over 4 again. This one is the same as a over 4. Okay, so the lowest common multiple for these denominators, these ones, is what I can get and think of 4. Okay, so I'm going to multiply everything with 4. Okay, let's multiply everything with 4. So I'll multiply by 4, multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Okay, so 2 into 4, we get 2 times a, I will get a 2a, plus 4 into 4, 1. 1 times 5, I get a 5, is equal to 4 into 4, 1, I'll times a, I'll get an a. Okay, like that. Now, having or reached this point, I can take my a, which is plus, to this side, it becomes minus a. And I can take this plus 5 to this side, it becomes minus 5. Okay, let's do that. So I'll have 2a minus a is equal to minus 5. 2a minus a is equal to a, which is equal to minus 5. So this is our final answer there. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Okay, this one, I can rewrite it and have it as this. These whole numbers there, 1 and 3, is the same as over 1. Okay, so I can rewrite this and have 5d over 3 plus 1 over 1 is equal to d over 6 plus 3 over 1. I'm doing this so that you see how to find the lowest common multiple for these numbers there. The lowest common multiple for this is going to be a 6. 3 can go into 6, 6 can go into 6. So we can multiply everything by 6. Let's multiply everything by 6. Okay, we are multiplying everything by 6. Multiplying everything by 6, we can now divide 3 into 6, 2. 2 times 5d, I'll get a 10d, plus 1 into 6, we get a 6 times 1, we get a 6. This is equal to 6 into 6, 1. 1 times d, we get a d. Okay, then plus 1 into 6, we get a 6 times 3, we get 18. Okay, like that. Now we can take this d. We can take this d to this side, it becomes minus d. We can also take this plus 6 to this side, it becomes minus 6. Okay, so we have 10d minus d is equal to 18 minus 6, like that. Okay, now 10d minus d, we get 9d, is equal to 16 minus 18 minus 6, we get 12. And I can divide this by 9 by 9. Okay, this side they cancel off each other, and this side I can remain with d is equal to 4 over 3. And you can even say it's 1. You can even say it's 1 and 1 over 3. It's one and the same thing. All these can be marked as correct. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, this one, I can rewrite it here. I can multiply and add, and this one I can say it's over 1. Okay, so I'll have 3y over 1 minus 2 over 9 is equal to 4 times 9 plus 7. I get 43 there over 9. Okay, my lowest common multiple for this, all this is 9. Okay, so I'm going to multiply everything by 9, by 9, by 9. Okay, so 9 there, I get 9 times 3, I will have 27y, minus 9 and this one cancel, we have 1 times 2, we get minus 2 is equal to 9 there, and there cancels, we get 43 there. Okay, so when I reach this point, I can take this one, this side, it becomes plus 2. So I'll have 27y is equals to 43 plus 2. Okay, when we get that point, we can say 27y is equal to 45. To get my y, I can divide by 27 by 27. Okay, and when I divide by 27, this side they cancel off each other, we get y is equal to 27 into this one, we get 1 and 2 over 3. Okay, so I can simply say our y is equal to 1 and 2 over 3. That's our final answer then. Okay, let's move on to number 5. Okay, this one, I can find the lowest common multiple of 5, 7, and 15. So I can think of, what can I think of? Okay, let's say 7 times 15, I'll get 105. Okay, 5 can go into this one, so this becomes my lowest. This is my lowest common multiple here. Okay, so I'll multiply everything by that number there. Okay, so I'm going to multiply everything. So I'll rewrite 1 over 5x is the same as x over 5 minus 1 over 7x is the same as x over 7 is equals to 7 over 15. I'm going to multiply by 105. 105 by this one, 105 by that one, and 105 by that one. Okay, 5 there, 5, 1, oh, it's 2, 21. Okay, so I get 21x here. 7 there, it goes there 15 times, so I've got minus 15x is equal to this one into this one is 7. 7 times 7, I get 49. Okay, now simplifying 21x minus 15x, I get 6x is equals to 49. Let's divide by 6 to get our x. Okay, here we'll get there into 8 and we'll have a remainder of 1. So our x is equal to 8 and 1 over 6. This is our answer there. Let's have another example. Okay, this one we've got 10, 5, 5, and 10. So our lowest common multiple is 10 there. Every number can go into 10. So I'm going to multiply everything by 10. So I can say times 10, times 10, times 10, times 10. Okay, let's divide now. Dividing 10 into this one cancels, we remain with 9y plus 5 into 10, 2 times 3, we get a 6 is equal to 5 into 10, 2 times 2y, we get a 4y plus 10 into 10, we have a 7 there. Okay, so here when I reach this point, I can take this one, this side, it becomes minus 4y, and this one can go this side, it becomes minus 6. Okay, so we will have 9y minus 4y is equals to 7 minus 1, minus 6, sorry, minus 6. Okay, so 9y minus 4y, we get 5y here is equal to a 1. Dividing by 5, we get our y as 1 over 5. So our y is equal to 1 over 5. This is our answer there. Let's have another example. Okay, this one, our lowest common multiple is equal to 6. Number that 6 and 3 can go to is 6. So we can multiply by 6 here, by 6 here, by 6 here. Okay, so when we do that, we can divide now. 6 into 6, that one, we get 1. So we have 2d plus 7 plus 3 into 6, 2. So we have 2 by d minus 5 then. Okay, is equal to a 0. Removing these brackets, I'll have 2d plus 7 plus 2d, and minus 10 is equals to a 0 there. Okay, 2d plus 2d, I get 4d. 7 minus 3 minus 10, I get minus 3 there. Okay, this is equal to 0. So I can say 4d is equal to 3. I'm taking this one, this side, it becomes a positive. That's why I'm saying it becomes a 3. Now I can divide by 4. So my d is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, that's how we get our answer there. Our d is 3 over 4. Let's have another example. Okay, so here I want a lower multiple of 7 for 3. So I can simply say 7 times 3. We get 21. So our LCM is 21. Okay, so I'm going to multiply here by 21, here by 21. Let's divide now. Dividing 7 into 21 is 3. So I have 3 multiplying 6a plus 3. Then is equal to 3 into 21. Then I will get a 7. So I have 7 multiplying 2a minus 1. Okay, like that. Let's solve. 3 times 6a, I get 18a, plus 3 times 3, I get a 9, is equal to 7 times 2a, I get 14a. 7 times minus 1, I get minus 7. Okay, so I can take this one this side and this one this side. Okay, let's do that. So I have 18a minus 14a is equals to minus 7 minus 9. Okay, so 18a minus 14a, I will have 4a is equal to minus 7 minus 9, I get minus 16. Divided by 4, then both sides, I'll get my a as minus 4. Okay, so our a value there is equal to minus 4. That's how we get this answer there. Let's have a look at the last example. Okay, so here this 2 is the same as 2 over 1. And we want the lowest common multiple for 3, 5, and 1. We can simply multiply 3 times 5, we get 15. So this is our LCM there for our denominator. So I can multiply all the items with 15. Let's multiply by 15 here, and by here by 15. Okay, so when I do that, I can now divide 3 into 15, 5. So I have 5 times 7x plus 2 minus 5 into 15, 3 by 9x minus 2 is equals to 1 into 15, 15 times 2, we get 30. Okay, let's solve that. Removing brackets here, I'll have 35x plus 10 minus 3 times 9x, I get 27x, minus 3 times minus 2, I get plus 6 is equals to 30. Okay, items now, 35x minus 27x plus 10 plus 6 is equals to 30. Okay, like that. Now 35x minus 27x, I'll get an 8x here, plus 16 is equals to 30. And I can take this one this side, it becomes minus 16. Okay, let's have that. So I'll have 8x is equals to 30 minus 16. So our 8x is equal to 30 minus 16, we have 14. Then we divide by 8 by 8. This side they cancel off each other, and we'll remain with our x as 1 and 6 over 8, and this becomes 1 and 3 over 4. This is 1. So this is our final answer, guys. Okay, bye bye. Let's meet in the next video.